Hi guys, today I got this brand new Garten of Banban mystery box. It contains 8 great items. It contains a piggy bank, a action figure, 2 minifigures, a sticker, a mask, a plush, and a poster. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I don't really know how to cut, so we'll be back in a minute. Anyways, let's open her up and see what's inside. What is this? Looks like this one got torn up a little bit. Hey, look at it! It's this blue Jumbo Josh toy. If you want to get one for yourself, go to a random store and they should maybe have one, like Walmart. And Target they're actually at. Whoa. Target they're actually at. With Jumbo Josh and a Gibadium. What's this? Don't see the tag to pull it open. Oh, right here. Oh. I guess it left me no choice to leave the scissors. To do the scissors. And what's inside? A Bambolina toy. This is kind of cool. Right here. Oh, this one I feel is the plush. This one will be the grand finale. Oh! Banban toy. Banban and Bambolina. I'm Banban now. Look at me, I'm Banban. And stickers. We're gonna go set these up real quick. I'll see you in a moment. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put them yet. So these are the stickers. It's a little poster. Hey, look at this. That's pretty cool. Alright, anyway, the moment you've all been waiting for. The Banban plushie. Maybe. Banban plush. I love it. Here it is, guys. Yeah, maybe I can get it on. Anyways, that's all we got for today's video. Pretty cool, right? Go to Target right now and get one for yourself. Subscribe, or Banban will eat your pancreas.